From a maintenance perspective, it's incredibly simple. There's little overhead necessary on our end as the cluster maintainers. It's super easy for our end users to adopt, especially now that you'll have your new CRDs. They do a lot of the heavy lifting for us. We just create a super simple ingress route as part of our non-releases, and it wires everything up for us.
I use Traefik Proxy mainly for ingress because I just love the simplicity and the dynamic configuration that you can have. We use Traefik Proxy basically to route all of the traffic because it's a good ingress.
So the biggest driving factor for us to move to the traffic is like the visualization, the dashboard thing, to quickly get a glimpse of like how many 400, how many 500, how it is doing, all that good stuff. So we were excited.
So right now we're using it as an ingress controller for multi-tenant clusters. Traefik was just super simple and made it really easy, and the other internal team that was already using it, showed us what they were doing, and it seemed really simple and straightforward.
We use Traefik. It's more stable than some other network plugins. It has some advantages compared to other network plugins. I know that our customers are happy with it.